Hi everyone, welcome to Ngochan Crochet. In today's tutorial, we're going to crochet a beautiful coaster that's perfect for protecting your furniture or adding a decorative touch to your space. This project is beginner friendly and uses simple stitches. If you love crafting and want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a medium weight yarn in your favorite color, a crochet hook size 4mm or 5mm scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in the ends. Make sure your yarn and hook size are compatible for best results. Before we begin, let's review the stitches we'll be using. The double crochet DC, chain stitch, CH, slip stitch, SLST, and magic ring. If you're not familiar with these stitches, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step. Start by making a magic ring. Into this ring, crochet 11 double crochets. Once you've completed all 11, pull the ring tight to close the center. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Great job, this is the foundation of your coaster. Tip: ensure your magic ring is secure to avoid a gap in the center. Well done on completing the first round. Your coaster is off to a great start. Begin by chaining 5. This counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Now, work into the stitches from the previous round. Crochet 1 double crochet followed by a chain of 2 into each stitch. Repeat this sequence 11 times. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the starting chain to finish the round. Tip: keep your chain stitches loose for a smooth finish. Fantastic! You've created the base for the next layer of your coaster. Start this round with a chain of 3. In the first chain space, crochet 5 double crochets. Then chain 2, move to the next chain space and crochet 6 double crochets, followed by a chain of 2. Repeat this pattern 5 times. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the top of your starting chain. Tip: count your stitches regularly to ensure accuracy. Amazing work! Your coaster is really coming together. It's looking beautiful. For round 4, chain 3, then crochet 5 double crochets into the first chain space, chain 3 and slip stitch into the next chain space. Repeat the following pattern for the rest of the round. Chain 3, crochet 6 double crochets, chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain space, and chain 3 again. Finish the round with a slip stitch into your starting chain. Tip: pay attention to the chain spaces to maintain the pattern symmetry. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going, you're almost there. Start this round with a chain of 3. Crochet 5 double crochets into the first chain space, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next chain space. Chain 3 again, then slip stitch into the next chain space. For the rest of the round, repeat this sequence. 6 double crochets into the chain space, chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain space, and so on. Complete the round with a slip stitch into the starting chain. Tip: relax your hands to keep the stitches consistent and even. You've done it! Look at how beautiful your coaster is. It's a masterpiece. Well done. Congratulations on finishing your crochet coaster. This is a wonderful handmade item that you can use or gift to someone special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.